This is Angelo Cody from Hawk and Eagle Energy, wanting to come to you guys to give you a little tip. I don't know if you know, you should maintenance your water heater annually. Once a year, you want to drain that water heater, because what happens, sediment starts to build at the bottom, and depending on where you're located at and how hard your water is, you may have more sediment in your water heater. Especially if you have a conventional tank, whether it's gas or electric. You want to drain. There's a faucet at the bottom of that water heater, the conventional water heaters. And I don't recommend homeowners actually drain their water heater if it's been more than 10 years. You want to consult a professional, like a plumber, to drain your water heater, to have your water heater maintenance if it's a conventional. But I have a conventional gas, so I have to turn off my gas and also connect the hose, which I have right here. I'll connect that hose. Use the garage. Again, conventional tank. This is where you connect the hose at here. That faucet there at the bottom. We call it a spigot in the country. Now to turn off my pilot light here, my gas light, and my gas gauge. So, but yeah, this is a conventional tank. These either come in electric or gas. So be safe. Safety goggles. Turn off the gas, open up the valve, connect the hose, open the valve, but be safe. But if it's been more than 10 years, don't recommend you do it, because what happens, again, depending on the type of water within the water, that faucet can get clogged because of the sediment. So it can start leaking, and then you have another issue on your hands. But I hope this helps. You want to do this, you want to have your water heaters maintenance. If you got an on-demand water heater, you want to maintenance that as well. It's a different way that they maintenance it, so you want to consult a professional. Look at your owner's manual if you're a DIYer like myself. So but you guys be blessed, have a good one, take it easy, and don't forget to give me a like and a follow if you like this information. Take it easy. Bye. So I like to run it for like 5 minutes, or I think the water will continue to run because it gets connected. But about 5 minutes, I think, is a good number, 5 to 10 minutes. Just again, it depends on your water system, and then also depends on how many people live in a home. If it's just 2 people living in a home, you can take it to 2 years. But if you got 3 or more people, I'll say 5 or more people living inside the home, even 4 people. Depending on how you shower, how many clothes you wash, how many people you have to cook, that makes a difference with the consumption of energy and water. So annually is the goal if you do it annually. But if you got it's just 2 people, I'll probably do it every other year or every 2 years. So, but it's up to you. All right, so all that took was 5 minutes. So what you want to do, get your flathead screwdriver, tighten it back up to where it was located at. So this is open, whether you go counterclockwise or clockwise, that's open in the valve. So we're going to turn this right here so we can turn it off and turn that valve. All right, then I'm going to turn my gas line back on, and depending on the way you like your pilot, so here, this is my pilot light, so I turn it here, and we're going to light this bad boy. We're gonna hold it. Oh, hold it. Let's see if that turned it off. All right, I'm about to move that. Cause I don't know if that turned it on yet. There it goes. I heard it. Turn it on. See. I think that was it. All right, we're gonna check our hot water inside. Okay, I'm back. I finally figured it out. For some reason, I didn't understand these instructions. So in order to light this pilot, I actually have to hold the pilot button, push it in, click at night. Then you have to hold the pilot button in until the status light. turns green. Once the status light turns green, you can release the pilot button and then start your settings. So I had it on C, which is near very hot, and my wife liked hot water. So when I got 2 girls, for some reason women love hot water. So I had to make sure this water's hot before I leave here. And then I was also able to visualize how to take off this cover. So each water heater is different. So again, you want to consult your owner's manual, and then you also want to be able to visually see your gas actually on. So that helps you figure out how to turn this bad boy back on. So all right, you guys have a blessed day. Hope this helps. HawkandEagle.com.